Hey, it's Maisie here from the Modern Calligraphy Company.
I'm going to show you how I go about planning a layout.
I've printed out the poem that I'm doing. All of the words are spelt correctly, punctuation where it should be, and I like the layout. The lines, when I've printed it out, the line spacing, I've squidged that a bit together as well. And it doesn't matter what font you're printing in at all. It can be Arial, Comic Sans, anything. You just want the size of your lettering to be right. Using a light pad, I've put my paper over the top. So I've got my light pad, then my printed text, and then my paper.
So, I'm now just going to work over my design.
With my light pad on, I can see the design through, and I'm able to work over the top of those letters, making them mine.
So I've already tested out my colours to see that I like them and that they work.
This piece was actually inspired by Kirsten Burke. I've tried to emulate her sort of this quick lettering that she does with a paintbrush. Now the paint I've used is the Autumn palette, Calero colours.
Really lovely colours.
Really pleased with how it's turned out, and I finished it with a splattering of paint. Now, why don't you have a go at producing your own artwork using your favourite lyrics from a song or maybe a poem that you really like? Make sure you tag us so that we can see what you've been up to, and use the hashtag #TheModernCalligraphyClub to be entered into our monthly giveaway. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see what you produce. Bye!